So here is an example of how to hyperlink something. You are going to write out the text you want hyperlinked. In this case, I've already written out the text in the parentheses here. And I'm going to select the text that I want linked. Right click, and I'm going to select link. Here it's going to ask me to paste a link or to search. So I'm going to go over to the Google Doc that I want linked, select it, Control C to copy, come back over here, Control V to paste, and then I'm going to click apply. And you'll see that it's in blue and underlined now, which means it is a hyperlink.